In this video, you'll learn how to use Base44 vibe coding effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you will be familiar with the steps necessary to create applications using the Base44 platform. Start by navigating to the Base44 homepage, open your web browser, and enter the URL for Base44. Once the page loads, you should see various options for building applications with AI. This is the starting point for your application development. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Highlight. This button is typically prominent on the page and allows you to proceed to the next step in the application building process. After clicking, you may notice a new section or prompt appearing on your screen. Following this, click on the Start Building button. This action will direct you to the main workspace where you can begin creating your app. A loading indicator may appear briefly as the system prepares the workspace for you. After that, you will see a prompt that asks, "What will you build today?" Click on this prompt to specify your application idea. Doing this will enable you to proceed with the development tailored to your concept. You can now choose to describe your app idea by clicking on the section labeled Describe Your App Idea below, or get inspired by our templates. This is an important step as it helps clarify your vision for the app. Take your time to enter your thoughts or select from the templates provided. Next, click on the highlight button once more, as this is essential for emphasizing your selected options. This confirmation is crucial in ensuring that your selections are properly noted in the system. Then, select ideas to get started. This option will present you with various suggestions based on your input, helping you to refine your application concept further. A list of ideas should populate on your screen for your review. Proceed by clicking on Content Generation and Editing. This feature allows you to modify and generate content for your application, which is a key part of the development process. After your click, expect to see editing tools become available. Now, click on Recent Apps to view the applications you've worked on previously. This section will display a list of your past projects, making it easy to revisit or build upon them. Wait for the list to load before selecting any application. Select your recent app from the list by clicking on it. This action will direct you to the workspace specific to that application. You should see the familiar layout where you can make edits and updates. Once in your app workspace, you can begin making changes to your app. Click on Dashboard to access the main controls and settings for your application. This area contains important features that will aid in your app's functionality. Next, click on a suggestion provided by the platform for further assistance. Suggestions are designed to streamline your development process, and you should see options that can enhance your application. Then, click on Enter to add more elements to your app. This feature simplifies the coding process, allowing you to enhance your application without needing extensive coding knowledge. You may notice real-time changes as you make these additions. Finally, remember to save your changes regularly to avoid losing any progress. After completing these steps, you will have a functioning application built using Base44 vibe coding. Ensure to explore additional features on the platform for further development. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.